Do you ever just think, why do these people like all the items in my closet and not buy it? I mean, come on now. That's like taking a buggy full of stuff up to the register, leaving it and saying you don't want it. None of it. To me. So, stay tuned guys. In this video, you're going to learn how to make those likes into sales. Hey y'all, my name is Nikki. If you are new, if you're returning, thanks for joining me again. This channel is all about making money online, whether it being on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Etsy, blase. It's just about making that dough, making that money. So, do you ever have those people that just like every item in your closet and you can't figure out why they don't want to purchase it? I mean, what's the point of liking it? One, it's kind of bad on Poshmark's behalf. That's my first reasoning behind this. For one, it's kind of bad on Poshmark's behalf that they don't have a feature or have a cart, option instead of the like, or vice versa. There's a distinguishment when people are liking an item to bookmark it, or they're liking an item to receive an offer. A lot of new users don't understand, so what you have to do is you kind of have to just give them a little nudge. Like when you're teaching a child how to walk, you let go of their hands. Well, with the customers, you're going to let go of their hands and push them right into it, okay? Last month I sold quite a bit of bundles, and the month before. I always have. I'm not scared of them to reject my offer. That's the worst they could do, correct? Right? Right. So I have two different things I'm going to talk about. Okay, I'm just gonna share my screen with you. Here is one. Here's one of the ones I want to go over. It's just a small bundle. It still did work though. She liked these 3 items, but she never took the initiative to make me an offer. So I just bundled them together and sent her out an offer of $50, and it was just these 3 listings. It was 5 items altogether though. But then I was thinking, it's 5 items, average out $10 a piece. That sounds like a good offer. So she gladly accepted, and after Poshmark fees, I still earned $37.88. My cost of goods on that was very low. The reasoning being, the 2 blouse listings were from my community. It was absolutely free, and the new Tag Lane Bryant plaid wrap skirt was 74 cents. So I made $37.10 or 14 cents or something like that. So that was a dang. I mean, come on now, guys. I get a notification every time you like something. If you don't want it, don't like it. So that's my initial thought. But then I started thinking, I was new at once. I didn't know how to use Poshmark and what have you. So now I normally always go into their closet and I take a look to see if they're actually an active seller or an active buyer. Because ultimately that does make a difference, okay? So, usually if they're an active buyer, I don't send them an offer. I do not bundle their items they liked because they know what the deal is. So obviously, if they wanted it, they would bundle it themselves, correct? Correct. So I go into their profile to see if they're an active buyer or an active seller. It does make a difference, y'all. Any seasoned reseller knows that. If they're an active seller, I normally do not bundle their likes together because normally they do know what to do. So obviously, if they didn't bundle it, they're just putting it there to bookmark it, okay? But with the active buyers, there is a 50-50 chance that you can make that sell, So what I do, if somebody goes in and likes 5, between, let's just say 15 items because this happened last month. Somebody goes through and they like 15 items. I don't necessarily want to bombard them with all these items. So I normally leave off, if this person, I bundled 11 for them. Normally that's a good number, I just pick and choose. I look at all their items that they have chosen, and then I put the same style together. So sometimes it might only be 6 pieces, or sometimes it might be all of them, but 1. So then I want to send them an offer they can't resist, because I've said it once, whenever you sell meat, if I got my foot in the door, I was not walking out of that house with that case of meat. You're going to buy, and I feel like it's the same way if I bundle these items for these customers, that I'm going to give them an offer so good that they're not going to be able to resist. I'm always going to make a profit, so why not, right? Move inventory, have new spots for new things, and it's a stress reliever for me. I'm like, oh my God, it's gone. Thank goodness. So I went through and I bundled these 11 items for this customer, and like I said, she liked about 15. I hit her with an offer of $100. She had 11 items. Maybe it was 10. Maybe it was 10. And that was, the average sell price on that was $10 an item. So I was okay with that, considering that most of those things that I got was 74 cents in that bundle. Maybe even free, some of them. I think that Patrick's mom gave me a few of them. So some of them might even have been free. So either way, I was going to make a profit. So let's just say they averaged out to be $1 a piece. Just saying, that's on a high side. I still profited. After Poshmark fees, I still would profit $70. Okay? $70. And I get to say goodbye to the product. I no longer have to look at it in my inventory system. I no longer have to worry about if it's going to sell. It's sold. Cha-ching. So, that's my tip for Tuesday. There you go. You have it. Some of these tips that I will be doing are going to be a little seasoned. Some are going to be just kind of directed straight towards newbies. So this one is more or less a newbie tip. I'm sure that all my seasoned resellers do know this. And if you don't, then they're enlightening you with something. This also starts a new series I'm going to be doing. It's called Tipsy Tuesday, guys. It's just going to be a 5-minute or less tip on making money online. Today was maybe a little longer because it was my first one. I had to do a little bit explaining, but just know that every Tuesday I will be coming out with a tip and we will be having a drink. Hence, Tipsy Tuesday. So be sure to like and subscribe to this video so you can be notified every time that I upload one of those videos on Tuesday and any other great content that I may upload. And go ahead and have a great week, guys. Like, subscribe. Same time, same place, same pretty little face. Bye, guys. Have a great day. So I hope you guys have a wonderful and prosperous week. A wonderful and prosperous... I hope you guys have a wonderful and prosperous week. So, I will see you the same time, same face. So, I'll see you the same time, same pay. I don't know why I can't talk today. So, I guess I'll see you the same. So, I guess. Why can't I talk right? So, why am I messing with my hair while I'm saying that? Why? Okay, let's try this again.